Hello, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss the Los Angeles Lakers and Golden State Warriors games for the month of February. If you're new to this channel, consider to subscribe and leave a like to help this channel grow. As of January 31, 2025, the Los Angeles Lakers is at number 5 in the Western Conference team standings with 27 and 19 record. The team averaged 111.8 points per game and given up 112.3 points on their opponent. The team shot 47.9% from the field, 35.3% from the three-point line, and 79.4% from the free throw line. Anthony Davis led the Los Angeles Lakers in points, rebounds, steals, and blocks per game. He averaged 35.7 points per game, 11.9 rebounds per game, 1.3 steals per game, and 2.1 blocks per game. While LeBron James averaged 23.8 points per game, 9 assists per game, and 7.5 rebounds per game, the Los Angeles Lakers played 15 games for the month of January, 8 home games and 7 away games. They won a total of 9 games in that month, 6 at home and 3 away games. Here are the Los Angeles Lakers game schedule for the month of February. At New York Knicks on February 2, 9:30 a.m. Philippine Time or February 1, 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time. At Los Angeles Clippers, February 5, 11 a.m. Philippine Time or February 4, 10 p.m. Eastern Time. At Golden State Warriors, February 7, 11 a.m. Philippine Time or February 6, 10 p.m. Eastern Time. Versus Indiana Pacers at February 9, 5 a.m. Philippine Time or February 8, 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Versus Utah Jazz, February 11, 11:30 a.m. Philippine Time or February 10, 10:30 p.m. Eastern Time. At Utah Jazz, February 13, 10 a.m. Philippine Time or February 12, 9 p.m. Eastern Time. At Charlotte Hornets, February 20, 11 a.m. Philippine Time or February 19, 10 p.m. Eastern Time. At Portland Trail Blazers, February 21, 11 a.m. Philippine Time or February 20, 10 p.m. Eastern Time. At Denver Nuggets, February 23, 9:30 a.m. Philippine Time or February 22, 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Versus Dallas Mavericks, February 26, 11 a.m. Philippine Time or February 25, 10 p.m. Eastern Time. Versus Minnesota Timberwolves, February 28, 11:30 a.m. Philippine Time or February 27, 10:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Let's proceed to the Golden State Warriors. As of January 31, 2025, the Golden State Warriors is at number 10 in the Western Conference team standings with 24 and 23 win-loss record. The team averaged 111.4 points per game and allowed 111.2 points on their opponent. The Golden State Warriors shot 44.6% from the field, 36.5% from the three-point line, and 72.3% from the free throw line. Stephen Curry led the team with 22.5 points per game, 6.5 assists per game, and 1.2 steals per game. He shot 44.2% from the field, 40.5% from the three-point line, and 93.5% from the free throw line. Kevin Looney led the team in rebound with 6.8 rebounds per game, and Raymond Green led in blocks with 1.1 blocks per game. Golden State Warriors played 15 games for the month of January. 10 games at home and 5 away. They won 8 of them, 6 at home, and 2 away win. Here are the Golden State Warriors game schedule for the month of February. Versus Phoenix Suns, February 1, 11 a.m. Philippine Time, or January 31, 10 p.m. Eastern Time. Versus Orlando Magic, February 4, 11 a.m. Philippine Time, or February 3, 10 p.m. Eastern Time. At Utah Jazz, February 6, 10 a.m. Philippine Time, or February 5, 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time. At Los Angeles Lakers, February 7, 11 a.m. Philippine Time, or February 6, 10 p.m. Eastern Time. At Chicago Bulls, February 9, 9 a.m. Philippine Time, or February 8, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. At Milwaukee Bucks, February 11, 9 a.m. Philippine Time, or February 10, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. At Dallas Mavericks, February 13, 10:30 a.m. Philippine Time, or February 12, 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time. At Houston Rockets, February 14, 9 a.m. Philippine Time, or February 13, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. At Sacramento Kings, February 22, 11 a.m. Philippine Time, or February 21, 10 p.m. Eastern Time. Versus Dallas Mavericks, February 24, 4:30 a.m. Philippine Time, or February 23, 3:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Versus Charlotte Hornets, February 26, 11 a.m. Philippine Time, or February 25, 10 p.m. Eastern Time. At Orlando Magic, February 28, 8 a.m. Philippine Time, or February 27, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like to help this channel grow. Thank you so much, everyone. See you in the next video.